Jeff and Debbie Hyatt, your real estate experts in the Smoky Mountains. Please look at our new listing, Mountain Paradise with 2 creeks. This home is lovingly maintained with attention to the details. Open living area with a rock fireplace and gas logs. Tons of windows let in the light and give beautiful forest views from most every room. A nice kitchen with a spacious pantry and a laundry room attached. There are 2 master bedrooms, one on the first floor and another on the second floor. This home is a must-see. Beautiful laurel branches on stairs, porches, and even on the fenced-in yard. The lower level has 2 bonus rooms to do with what you want. Would make a great media room, workout room, craft room, or office. Also, there is a garage in the basement, plus the easy-to-access utility/mechanical room. There are sliding barn doors throughout, and some metal/tin detail. Step out onto the deck and relax and enjoy the fresh mountain air and listen to the sounds of the creeks that run through this property. This property truly does have it all. The exterior is a vinyl shake. This home